Assalamualaikum 3 class. How are you all? Today we do reading. Our chapter name is M's Paint Start and Close, and we start our reading from scroll bar. So let's start our reading. The paint window is big in size and does not fit on the screen. When you are unable to see the whole picture in the paint window, then you can use the scroll bars. Vertical scroll bar is present on the right hand side of the window. It moves the window up and down. Horizontal bar moves the window left and right. You can use the bars by clicking the arrow buttons or by dragging it. Next we read closing paint. How we close the M's Paint program. Closing paint. When you have completed the drawing, close the paint program. To close paint, follow the given steps. Click on the paint button. Click on exit option. Must know, you can close the paint program by clicking on the close button at the top right corner of the paint window. You will get the following message. Do you want to save changes to untitled? Save, don't save, cancel. So click on save if you wish to save the drawing. Otherwise, click on don't save. The paint window will get closed. Okay, now we see them on computer. Look at this. This is our paint program. In this, first we read about scroll bars. So we see the scroll bars. This is our vertical scroll bar and this is horizontal scroll bar. When we move the scroll bar, then move the arrow on the scroll bar and then drag. Look, this move the page up and down. The horizontal scroll bar, look at this. This move the window left and right. Okay. Second we read about closing paint. How we close a program. First we close our program from paint button. This is our paint button. Click on it. When we click on paint program, our drop down list appears. In last we have an exit option. When we click on this exit option, our paint program will be closed. Secondly, we close our program from close button. When we click on close button, look, when we click on close button, a message will appear that was, can we save our program or don't save or cancel. If we want to save, then click on save. The program will be save and close. If you don't want to save, then don't save. Click on don't save. Okay. Next we have a shortcut key to close a program. Cool tip, to close paint, you can press Alt plus F and press X, or you can press Alt plus F4. Another method, a shortcut key to close a program is that you press Alt key and F4 key to close the program. When you press the Alt plus F4, the program will be closed. Now we will close the program using close button. So move to the close button, click on it, a message will show We will save it. Click on save option. Save. Our program will be save and close. Okay, now see on book. Next we have a multiple choice questions. First multiple choice question is, how many tools do you see in the tools group of paint? In tool group paint, how many tools? There are option is A option is 6, B option is 5,